Now, welcome back. Continuing from where we stopped last time, the components of this application. These are the components right now for the administrative interface as it is showing on the left, and I'm going to quickly go through them. You got my site, you got the readers up. So blog posts now. If you click on that, you get to see you see your views, your visitors, your likes, your comments. Everything is numbered for you. Posts, pages, countries. So you have the ability to influence the viewership of these and the traffic that these see. Of course, you're on a free plan, but you know you can increase your plan, and it will add on some more support for you. There's some blog posts. We don't want to. This is not a blog. Well, but you will have a blog on it. But this is in WordPress. You have the ability to choose a blog, predominantly blog site or a website. We've already chosen a website, but even within a website, you can have blog posts. Let's go into blog and see what we mean by that. So you see, if you had a blog site, your layout and your look and feel would be a little bit different from what you have with your website, your static website. I will show you what we mean, because you can toggle between the blog site and the website, and then your pages. Now we already have 3 pages by default given to us, assigned to us from creating the P2P project. This is because by design the PHP code is programmed in such a way that if you record the variables and the values, the value is assigned to a variable that whenever you create a new website as opposed to a blog site, that you get that 3 pages are assigned to you, and they are called about, they are called one blog and one called contact, apart from the home page, and it is assigned to you in a configuration that's already pre-programmed. And now that helps you because you don't have to write the PHP code afresh from start to do this. But because you've already done the tutorials of PHP in the earlier lessons, you would now have the ability to edit the code and fine-tune it if need be. That's if you do not want to use the CMS to edit it from the from the back end of the but from a visual format on this interface. Now, media, you can add media to it. Before we add media to it, let me just go into the front page so you have a look at what our front page actually looks like. So this is the front page where it looks like on the back end. As the header, it says welcome to our music download site. Now, if you were going to preview this, you just click on preview and get to see what it looks like. There it is. This is the front end of the site right now, the way it looks, and you can see everything the way it is. Now, this is the way I've already produced this for you. However, you're going to produce this from scratch yourself on your own side, and I'm going to show you one by one how I created it so you can produce it the same way. And then we're going to go to the back end and then edit some code using the tutorial knowledge you already have. Alright, so gonna break this training course into segments so that it's not too much for you to take in at one time. So this is the front end of the site. Let's close that for now, and let's go back to where we were before. Now we can go into about, contact, and blog, and there'll basically be more pages with some media added or some other customization taking place. Now we're going to go into the customization, but let me just quickly go through media so we're on the same page. As you can see, this is the media interface, and from here you can add images. The images already on there are what you can see here. Click on testimonials, and here we can add a new page called testimonials, and it's configured for you, already pre-programmed again using PHP code, so that in the database all you have to do is just enter data and it goes in there pre-configured. Now let's go to themes. In your themes you can see let's click on customize.